Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making apple crisp with oats. So what all do we need for the apple crisp with oats? For the oat topping, we'll need 3/4 cups flour, 3/4 cup old-fashioned oats, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup cold butter cut in pieces. For the filling, you'll need 6 cups chopped 3/4 inch pieces peeled tart apples such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, and this is Honeycrisp, about 6 medium apples, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So let's begin. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 375. Then take an 8x8 baking dish, and this is my new Love Casa baking dish. First time trying it. I'll leave the link down below. And spray it with cooking spray. Take a medium-sized bowl. You want to mix your 3/4 cup flour, the 3/4 cup oats, the 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, and the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix that until well blended. Alright, so it's blended pretty good. Take your 1/2 cup cold butter that is cut in pieces and put it in there. Cut the butter into the oats using a fork or a pastry blender until the mixture is crumbly. Do not overmix. Then set it aside. Finish that and I'll be back. Okay, take a large bowl and your 6 cups of chopped up apples and add the rest of the ingredients. The 1/2 cup granulated sugar, the 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and the 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And mix that until thoroughly combined. Take your 8x8 baking pan and dump your apples in there. Try to hit the pan. And then spread it out evenly. And then sprinkle your streusel topping on the top. And this is not as crumbly as I would have liked it. Put your apple crisp in a 375-degree preheated oven for 32 to 35 minutes until the sides are bubbly and the top is golden brown. So after 36 minutes, the apple crisp is out of the oven. It is browning around the edges. The filling is bubbling. We'll let it cool for 20 minutes and then we'll dish it up. So here is the apple crisp, and it is topped with vanilla bean ice cream. Let's get Dave to do a taste test.
It smells cinnamony.
Apple crisp.
I don't know if cinnamony is a word, but it smells cinnamony. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.